This is the most memorable Father's Day gift I got from you, Jesal and Shivam. So thank you very much for this opportunity. This is going to be a treasure for me for life. This is going to be my lunch. Before we start hiking. Right? Nice, delicious. Yeah, we are getting ready. So, yeah.
Feel good?
Yes,
Nice.
ready to go. Let's go.
Oh, God, you could give me
Okay, get close together and smile. Yay! It's a video, so.
Then take picture also.
Just take a still.
All right, we just started our backpacking. How far we are going now? This hike is for how many miles?
We have about 5 miles to camp.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna set up camp today. Tomorrow we're gonna try to hit one of the peaks,
Uh-huh.
which is another few miles past the camp in the Mount Baldy, or no, Cucamonga Wilderness.
Okay. All right. Good.
This is a California native flower called the fried egg flower, is what's colloquially known as. And these seeds will only germinate when they're exposed to smoke. So
No way.
they thrive in the California's Mediterranean climate, and when the wildfires come through, the seeds fall and they germinate.
This is the ladybug. There's lots of them. Oh wow. Wow, good, nice hole. Okay, well, that's anything else?
No, that's it.
That's it. Let me drink it and refill it.
No, don't. Okay, you can drink it from there if you want, but you can put the filter on also.
Oh, nice. Yeah, there is okay.
Fresh spring water.
Okay.
Drink it. Go for it.
Tasty. Right from the nature. Oh.
Here, I'll have some. Hold this.
From where to where we came?
We came from here. We hiked all this. We're here now at the saddle, all the trails meet, and we have to come down all the way to here, Kelly Camp.
So now is Going down?
About a mile. No, it's not down.
Okay.
It's south, but it doesn't mean down. It just means you're going on up this way.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's go.
We made it. Kelly Camp. Perfect. I was just getting hungry and the sun is just about to set. We made it, Shiv. I need to watch my step. I don't want to fall right now. And this is it, our campsite.
We made it
Yeah,
in time.
in time.
What? Wild West chili and beans.
Oh, so this is for both of you or just
This is just for me.
for you?
Yeah.
And Jesal, what's your food?
Cooking probably this mac and cheese probably.
And the same pot or different?
Different.
Different. Okay. All right.
That or it's chili.
Perfect.
Sure.
So let me now show you my food. So here is all the fruits I brought it. Pear, apple, tangerine. That is going to be my
And sweet potato, no? You brought a sweet potato?
but
Oh, the nuts are in that bag.
not nuts. The other. Oh. Now, yeah, and also I have vegetable here, sweet potato, raw potato, avocado. So this is going to be my dinner. So let's see. Today I'm going to eat sweet potato and raw potato. All right. That's going to be my dinner. First, this is my plate. This is I'm cutting potato, red potato, and I'm going to do some sweet potato also. Then here is the east flex, and here small Tabasco. That's it. That's going to be my lunch and my dinner. Okay.
The longer it takes to boil, or the shorter it takes to boil water.
Tastes good?
It needs more time.
More time.
But it's almost there.
Hey, dinner is ready. I'm going to put some Tabasco now on the east, and that's about it. That's my going to be beautiful, wonderful dinner. Okay. Wonderful. Yeah. Very good.
No, I'm up to the less.
Tastes good.
I think you'll finish up.
Nice and hot.
Very good.
It's nice and salty.
Mm. So we are finished eating our dinner. Now we are planning about tomorrow. Oh, what time to go, where to go. All right, perfect. This is all the rest of the food we're going to put on tree. So bear won't, bother us. Okay, there's our bag, our food bag. Let's hope bear is not coming tonight, right?
Yeah, I mean, this area is black bears. It's sort of
Right. First night of our backpacking. Already, we enjoyed it,
chill.
but we are tired.
Good night.
Good night. All right, our food is coming down. Another morning. We are waiting for our breakfast, and everything is in here. All right. Good. Generally, my breakfast is nuts, but today I'm going to reverse it. I'm going to take fruit as breakfast, so then it is easy to carry nuts when we are going on hiking. They are making their breakfast, hot, hot breakfast. What you are eating today?
I'm making oatmeal.
Oatmeal. Nice. These are all burned tree, maybe 10-20 years ago. This is the peak we are going. It is known as the Ontario Peak. It looks like another 1 hour.
Dad, you made it.
That's right, actually.
Yeah, good job.
Oh, nice. How much is that delicious? 8,000 fish?
Something like that.
It's lunchtime. I'm going to eat nuts and dates.
About
Shivam is eating what? Burrito?
peanut butter tortilla,
Tortilla. And what you are going to eat, Jesal?
applesauce, pistachios.
Wow. Nice. Good, good, good. Okay. So you guys had any confidence that when I ate yesterday, one potato and one sweet potato, what do you thought?
Yeah, you've been doing it for so many years.
So you had confidence I will survive? Okay. All right. Good. Let me check my lunch. Me and Jason is wearing almost same kind of trekking shoes, hiking shoes. Shivam had a little different, known as a Vibram, barefoot. So no socks, not too thick sole. It's just a thin sole. So well, little different. You need little bit of training to wear this kind of shoes. But we enjoy it. Difference between hiking and backpacking is hiking you just go somewhere in car, just have your tent, and that's hiking or camping. But backpacking is you carry everything on your shoulder, and it goes maybe couple of days, couple of nights. So that is the difference between hiking back and backpacking.
Look, video.
Okay.
You made it. Look at that.
We are on top of the peak now.
8,906. 8,600.
8696.
8,696 feet
Yes.
elevation. Look at that,
Alright.
all around us. Just, it's the highest thing. Amazing.
So yeah, we are back to sweet home. Our 2-night home. We are back now. But we enjoyed. Yes. Okay, this is the Monday morning now, day 3. We woke up, checked out our tent, ready to go, packed it out everything, food, clothes, sleeping bags, everything is in the now in our backpack. And now this one we have to carry down all the way up to our car. So now we are going to say bye-bye to this location, and it was wonderful 2-night backpacking. Now we are ready to go, all set. Day 3 of backpacking, last day.
We're out of water, so we need to get to the watering the spring.
Yeah, we ran out of water. We need to get some more water at the spring.
Finish it all up.
All right. As I said earlier, we ran out of water. Now we are replenishing water from the stream. So this is how the backpacking life. You have to carry everything. Nothing, your car is far, far away from your camp, your tent. So carry everything, and has to be enough. So it's not too much that you cannot even pick up. Its weight is also is big issue. And second thing is you should carry enough so you don't suffer. All right. It's our snack time. After getting water now, we are taking our snack. Here is my nuts. That's my snack. Good.
Okay, we just filled up the water. We are now going to do the final stretch. Okay, let's go.
Final stage, how many mile?
2.2.
2.2 mile, around 2 hours, 1.5 hours.
We'll see.
We'll see. All right, final stretch. Okay, we are back down here. We completed our 3 days backpacking. 3 days, 2 nights. We are back to our car. All right.
You did a good job, Dad. This is your first time?
Yes.
How do you feel? What do you think?
Oh, I feel wonderful. It's an unbelievable experience. Enjoyed every moment, right from watching deer to eating our food at dark at the evening.
And the peak we did, we went to Ontario Peak. That was the best.
It was mesmerizing. It was so good.
Yeah.
It was, that's one of a kind.
Good.
Every moment was good. I enjoyed everything.
Good. So this
And-
is the first one, but more to come. Yeah,
Yeah, and the most important thing is living all 3 days on raw food.
Good.
That was great. I mean, that's what I think. It was without even any lack of energy, any kind of deficiency. I did everything what you guys did,
Good.
and staying purely on raw food.
Proud of you. Good job.
Thank you.